Oh, yes, here we go again.
CJ, you was a buster. Come on, help me break in the Navy base. We finna steal some guns from the military. Roddy, you sherm head. All right, let's do this. CJ, every man is my cousin. That's why I need you to help me start a war between the Vagos and the Russian mafia. The Russian mafia? Smoke, you crazy, man. All right, let's do this. Hey, CJ, man. I need you to go out into the desert to the military base that doesn't exist and steal the government's top secret weapon for me, man. Man, the truth, I believe you have finally smoked yourself stupid. All right, let's do this. Hey, fool, it ain't Oglock. It's Germ, all devouring. And this week's Magic the Gathering Top 5 is in Grove Street Green, baby. Starting us off this week, it's Social Climber from Carly, Missouri. This human druid comes to us from the streets of New Capenna. This entire set is absolutely drenched in 1930s and 40s gangster deco nouveau era aesthetic. And this card exemplifies that. What a great painting. It's all about who you know, darling. And now you're lucky enough to know me. What a cool card, Social Climber. Hey, check out Plot Armor from Gaboleps. This enchantment aura is from the Unfinity set. We use this term so often in critiques and criticisms of like literary concepts and movies and whatnot. I love that they made a card out of this. What a fantastic play on words. Writers at Magic the Gathering and Wizards of the Coast, you guys rule. Seriously, I love Unfinity. It's a fun and silly set, and if you haven't looked at it, check it out. There's a couple of cards that might work for your current deck. Center stage this week, it's Thirsting Roots by Wolf Skull Jack. This sorcery is part of the Phyrexia All Will Be One set. This is a beautiful painting, high contrast in colors, but in all reality, I chose this card for the function. I mean, 1 mana for a land or a proliferate? Hell yes! Hey now, bonus entry. This isn't even a magic card, it's a tattoo. But you know what it is? The greatest tattoo of all time. Some of y'all might have seen this floating around social media thinking maybe it was some sneering social commentary. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't, but I know where I've seen it before. Don't you remember this wonderful scene? Ha ha! I love this tattoo. This scene, this commentary, this video game, this wackadoo internet we live in. Let's talk about Willow Dusk, Essence Seer. This is by Jesper Epsing. This Dryad Druid is all about Commander. She really reminds me of the Swamp Hag from the movie Legend. You remember Legend, dude, but she's somehow less threatening, if you know what I mean. And anyway, this card is really calming to me. It's really cool. I love the painting. I think this is probably my favorite Magic the Gathering card of all time. I might say that. Finishing us off this week, it's Harmonious Emergence from Simon Dominic. This enchantment aura is part of the Kamigawa Neon Dynasty set. This is just the trippiest picture ever. I'm going to have to call this kind of painting Dalisticronastic, because this is seriously, this is like Salvador Dali on DMT, on LSD, on TCB, on C3P.
But Captain, the warp containment matrix is now thrombulating at 97% viscosity. At this rate, we are certain to prematurely eject the tachyon fluid onto the face of the planet.
Not me. I'm different. I'm from the streets. And I'm the last cop you're gonna want to meet in a darkened alley. That storm system's going to push cold winds out of the east. They're going to bring in over the desert, so watch out for a lot of high winds and stand stern about over Las Venturas. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so sorry. I would not do this on live TV. I'm expecting word about this. Could be the breaking news. Hello?
Jeremy,
Hello?
Cousin, let's go bowling.
No!